Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope everyone is doing fine. So today I am trying to tell you IELTS general training structure. Okay. So in IELTS we actually have two type of skills. One is the receptive skills and other is the productive skill. A receptive skills means the skill of receive the things, that how you receive the things, how much you are skilled for receiving things in better way. And in productive skills we can say how much you are in producing skill. In productive you are meaning to produce something. So let me explain both of the skills. In receptive skills mean how we receive, like in receptive skills we are included in listening and reading portion. So how we listen is the point, that how you receive the listening, and in reading, that how you receive the reading, how you understand that reading. So in productive skills you have to show that how you produce something, like writing. You are writing on a blank paper and you have to prove that how can you write in a better way. And the other skill in productive skill is speaking, that how you produce your speaking, or how you can speak to someone else. That two portion are included in productive skill. So we will be elaborating each of them skills, all four. So in listening we have 40 minutes. So first of all, let me tell you the timing of each of these portions. So in reading you have 40 minutes, in listening, sorry, you have 40 minutes, in reading you have 60 minutes, and in writing portion you have 60 minutes as well, and in speaking you have 14 minutes approximately. So first of all we will be seeing, and let me tell you first that in IELTS we generally have to give our listening, reading and writing on the same day, and speaking can be on the same day or either on the 1 week before the test or 1 week after the test. So you have to remember that these three, listening, reading and writing, are on the same day. So if we see in the listening, so in listening we have 40 minutes time and we will be having 40 questions. 40 questions will be divided into four other parts. So let me explain the four parts. In first part, and remember, difficulty will be increasing in the 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the fourth question will be the difficult one. Okay. So first question will be, you will be listening the conversation between two people and you have to answer that questions. And in second portion you will be receiving monologue means it can be a single person talking, or it can be map. It will be elaborating you the map. Okay. And in the third portion it will be between 2 to 3 people talking and having conversation with each other. And the fourth will be an academic lecture by one speaker. Okay. And it will be about general topics. So you have to remember that you will be having 30 minutes for tests and their answers, and 10 minutes will be to copy your answer to a sheet. And remember, each recording will be played once, so be very careful in listening the recording and trying to uh, answer on time. And don't forget to keep moving. If any of the questions skip, then you have to move on so that you can answer the other questions. So We will be moving now to the reading portion. So in reading portion, you will be, as I told you earlier, you will be having 60 minutes. So there will be three questions mean you will be having three passages, and there will be 40 questions, and you have to take care of your spelling and your grammar, okay? And remember, in both listening and reading, you will be having multiple choice question, fill in the blanks, true, false, not given, and like that. You can face any of the type of the questions, and before attempting any of the question, you have to read carefully that what examiner is exactly asking you. Okay, so we are moving now to the writing. In writing, you will be having 60 minutes. In writing general training, you will be having task 1 and task 2. Remember, task 2 is same, that is essay for both general training and academic. You will be having task 2 same, but task 1 may differ in general training and academic. So in general training, you will be asked to write a letter. That letter can be formal, informal, or semi-formal, and you have to complete that task 1 or letter writing in 20 minutes, and it must be consisted of 150 words. And don't forget to complete the answers of 3 bullet points that will examiner ask you in the question paper. So in task 2, we will be going to write an essay that should be of let me write here 250 words. So you must write it with clear arguments and structure. So mainly it's divided into 3 parts, that is introduction, body, and last one is the conclusion. The last portion is speaking portion. Speaking portion will be in 14 minutes. So here we will be asked 3 questions. First question will be brief introduction. It will be all about ourselves, and like an interview that in speaking you might be asked, first question might be, you can say, do you work or study? So the examiner will ask the next question according to your answer. If you study, and then examiner will definitely ask about your study and your plans. And if you work, then the examiner will ask about your work routine, your work type. And the second question will be individual uh, speaking, and it will be in 1 to 2 minutes. Topic will be given, and a paper will be given to you, so that you can write the bullet points, and you need to talk in 1 to 2 minutes about that topic. And the third and last question will be discussion. It will be in 4 to 5 minutes. It will be general overview of all the topics. So remember that in speaking portion, you don't need to give your personal experience. You have to talk only about general overview. So that's all. Hope you have understood all the structure. If you have any question, you can ask me. Thank you.